Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is February 22nd, 2015. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains and losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market made new high and the uptrend is very strong right now. And the oil rebounding is still valid. And I currently long the market through the Nasdaq ETF and the energy ETF, and I'm holding some leading stocks as well. Let's take a look at U.S. market indices. Well, actually, some of the foreign market index as well. First is a German DAX index. This one is making a new high. It's very strong. And Shanghai Stock Exchange Index is also back to the 50-day moving average. Nasdaq, this is a monthly chart for the since 1985 to now. This is a monthly chart. You see on the year 2000, Nasdaq made a new high, 5,132 point. And then it dipped all the way down to 1,000 point on year 2002, then started climbing up to 2861, then dipped down to 1200 again on 2008, and then from 2008 to now, all the way, we're almost back to the old new high, which is 5,000 point. Right now with a 4,955, so we still have a way to go, but it's very close to the old new high. So market is in a very strong uptrend from the long-term chart here as well. A Nasdaq daily chart, and it broke out from this trading range 4,800 and then just keep going up. And Friday, this is an upside reversal. It's a very strong. Mid cap, very strong as well. Friday had an upside reversal. Small cap, strong. SP 500 large cap made a new high as well. So all the major indices are very strong right now. Gold index, gold is very weak. It's back to the downtrend. Silver, back to the downtrend as well. Gold mining stock right now is sitting at a 50-day moving average, but this is consolidating. US dollar uptrend. Crude oil pulled back a little bit. As long as it can stay above $50 and crude oil rebound is still valid. However, if it drop below $50 and if it's heading to this low $47, then this rebound may fail. Right now we don't know yet. We have to watch and see what's gonna do next. FXI, China ETF, and this one is in the uptrend. IYR is a US real estate ETF. Right now it's pulling back, so it looks like it may it's unclear right now, so this is not very good, not promising here. Copper ETF is going down, downtrend. MBB is a US real estate mortgage fund price, mortgage bond price. It seems like pulling back. This MBB is inverse correlated with the mortgage interest rate. So mortgage interest rate looks like recently has gone up a little bit. Semiconductor ETF uptrend is a new high. Social media ETF is still in the downtrend. Solar ETF rebound from the low. USO is an ETF that tracks the crude oil price. USO pulled back a little bit, so right now it's in this consolidation area. If it can hold above $18, 18 here, it will have a promising to go up. If it break above $20, then it really goes up. So right now it's consolidating between $18 to $20. XLE acts this is energy ETF. This act a lot better than the crude oil. It's above 50-day moving average, and right now it's rebounding. This is XLE again. XLF. XLF, this is a rebound from 50-day moving average. Let's take a look at some of the ETFs. I shared with you last week. Right now, the best ETF in this market is NASDAQ related ETF, the ETF that's tied with a NASDAQ index. There QQQ, which is 1 times tracking the NASDAQ. QLD is a 2 times of NASDAQ. So if NASDAQ go up 1% in that day, QLD will go up 2%. Vice versa, if NASDAQ drop 1%, QLD will drop 2%. TECL is a 3 times tracking the NASDAQ. Crude oil ETF, you've got USO and OIL. Those are the tracking the crude oil 1 times. UCO is a 2 times tracking crude oil. And then you've got energy sector ETF, XLE, which is 1 times of energy ETF. DIG is a 2 times. ERX is a 3 times. Let's take a look at some of the stocks, and there are 3 lists of stocks I'd like to share with you. The first one is the stocks in the uptrend, but they're too extended to buy. MIDD, NXPI, PANW, Palo Alto Network, NOW, and Biogen. Second list is the stocks that broke out, but they're still within the buy range, means they're still within 5% of breakout pivotal point. AYI, LinkedIn, LNKD, ULTA, VRX, and the Visa. Third list are the stocks that are building the base, GRUB. But this one almost breakout. Let's take a look at the first list. Biogen. Biogen broke out right here. So right now it's too high to buy. Breakout pivotal point is around $366. Right now, obviously, it's 5% more than the breakout pivotal point. Middle buy, MIDD. Breakout pivotal point is $100.74. Right now it's a 109, so this is a little too high. NOW, ServiceNow. Breakout is $71. Right now it's a 79. That's also too high. NXP, I breakout right here and then breakout again right here. Palo Alto Network, breakout $130. Right now it's 141, too high. So those are the lists that's in the uptrend. If you bought them, hold on to them. But if you haven't bought them, it's too late to buy. This second list are the stocks that broke out but still in the buy range. AYI, broke out pivotal point is $150.90. Right now it pulled back close to the breakout pivotal. LinkedIn broke out right here and a gap up here. And right now it's still consolidating around the gap up. Ultra Salon, and this one broke out $137.59. So right now it's still in the breakout pivotal point. Visa broke out right here, $268.93. Right now consolidating around the breakout pivotal point. VRX broke out again right here. It has several breakout. Recent breakout is right here. So right now it's still within the breakout pivotal point. And third list are the stocks that's building a base. This is one stock is building a base. Grubhub. It's still building a base, but it seems it's about to break out. If it can go above $41.85, which is 10 cents above this previous high, that will be a breakout. Okay, those are the 3 lists of stocks. What to do in the current market? I would long the market through the ETFs. I will buy the leading stocks when they break out, and I will use the stop order for the protection. As long as the stocks go up, I'll hold on to them. When they turn around and go down, my stop order will be triggered and that take me out of them. So stop order is a best way to follow the trend of the stock. That's all for this week. See you next week.